Om Gururam Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear 5th class students, today discuss about perimeter. Okay. Actually, what is meant by perimeter? See here, around the distance of a closed figure is known as its perimeter. Around the distance means, see here. Now I am taking one rectangle. Around the distance means you can find out some of the all sides. This side plus this plus this plus that. See here, in a rectangle it has length and breadth. Length and breadth. So here this is length, means in a closed figure. So the longest distance is called like its length, and the shortest distance is called like its width. Actually, perimeter means around the distance. Around the distance means in a closed figure we can add all the sides. That is called as sum of the sides. So perimeter means around the distance of a closed figure is known as its perimeter. See here, today discuss about perimeter. See now from your activity book, page number 43, find the perimeter of the following figures. So yesterday first one is completed. Now this is second one. Listen carefully, beta. See here, this is A, B, C, D, E, F. Here, this is 35 millimeter mm, BC. Now this is 40 millimeter. Listen carefully. This is 20 millimeter. So this is 25 millimeter. Is it carefully, beta? So side AB did not give, so you can find out. Now you can find out the side of AB, means the length of the side of AB. So that is equals to CD plus EF. AB is equals to CD plus EF. Okay, CD is equals to 40 millimeter plus EF is equals to 20 millimeter. Then you can get 40 plus 20, 60 millimeter. So you can write here 60 millimeter. Write down, everybody. Okay, AB is equals to CD plus EF. CD is equals to 40 millimeter, EF is equals to 20 millimeter. You can get 60 millimeter, that is equals to AB. Then perimeter of the given figure. So that is equals to sum of the sides. Sum of the sides means AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here. 1, 2, 3. So DE is equals to, did not given, beta, once again. DE is equals to did not given, but AB is equal BC. BC is equals to 35 millimeter. Then you can find out DE. See here, DE is equals to so BC is parallel to AF. So BC minus AF. You can get BC is equals to 35 millimeter minus AF is equals to 25 millimeter. You can get 10 millimeter. So this is 10 millimeter. Then you can write AB is equals to 60 millimeter plus BC is equals to 35 millimeter plus CD is equals to 40 millimeter plus DE is equals to 10 millimeter plus EF is equals to 20 millimeter plus EF after FA is equals to 25 millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, add 60, 35, 40, 10, 20, 25. See here 5 plus 5, 10, 0 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 15, 15 plus 2, 17 plus 2, 19. So you can get 190 millimeters. Write down it. Now next, see, this is 2 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. Don't have. This is 4 centimeter. See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. See here, AB is parallel to GH. Then you can write GH is equals to 2 centimeter. Next, DC is parallel to EF. Then you can write EF is equals to 4 centimeter. Then we can find out perimeter of the given figure. That is equals to sum of the sides. See, AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HA. AB is equals to 2 centimeter plus BC is equals to, did not given. See here. So you can find out BC and also you can find out FG. See here. See Nana here. AH is parallel to D. Then you can write AH is parallel to D. Then AH is equals to, you can write, see here. This is DC. DC is produced to this side and EF is also produced to this side. Then you can write AH is equals to DE plus BC plus FG. Then AH is equals to DE. DE is equals to 2 centimeter plus BC plus FG. See here, AH is equals to 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters is equals to 2 centimeter plus BC plus FG. See here. So you can take 2 centimeter this side. Means 4 centimeter minus 2 centimeter, that is equals to BC plus FG. See here, 4 minus 2, 2 centimeter, that is equals to BC plus FG. BC plus FG is equals to 2 centimeter. Then it can be written as BC is equals to 1 centimeter plus FG is equals to 1 centimeter. Then you can write here 1 centimeter. Here you can write 1 centimeter beta. Did you understand? So now next see, AB is equals to 2 centimeter, BC is equals to 1 centimeter plus CD is equals to 4 centimeter plus DE is equals to 2 centimeter plus EF is equals to 4 centimeter, FG is equals to 1 centimeter, GH is equals to 2 centimeter, HA is equals to 4 centimeter beta. Then you can add it. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 4, 20 centimeters. Now next, this is 2 millimeter. This is 5 millimeter. 2 millimeter. This is 1 millimeter. 2 millimeters. 5 millimeter. See here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay. AB is parallel to DC. So you can write here 2 millimeter. Next, IJ is parallel to HG. Then you can write here 2 millimeter. Okay. See here, KL is parallel to FE. Then you can write here 2 millimeter. Now, find the perimeter of the given figure. Perimeter of the given figure is equals to sum of the sides. That is equals to AB plus BC plus CD plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HI plus IJ plus JK plus KL plus LA. See here beta. See, this is HI. HI is equals to 5 millimeter. Then here see, this is the width. Then you can draw this like only, produce it. Okay, see here. So this distance 1 millimeter. Then, so remaining you can find out this side, these two parts. Now here, you can write see here KL. Now this is x y. See here, I h I is equals to xy plus I x plus y h y. Listen carefully. See here, that is equals to xy means 1 millimeter plus ix plus hy. See, hi is equals to, you can write 5 millimeter. Then millimeter is taking this side, that is plus is goes to minus. 5 millimeter minus 1 millimeter, that is equals to ix plus hy. It can be written as implies. So ix plus hy is equals to 5 millimeter minus 1 millimeter. Implies ix plus hy is equals to 4 millimeter. Then it can be written as 4 millimeter, it can be written as 2 millimeter plus 2 millimeter. So you can write here ix plus hy, it can be written as 2 millimeter plus 2 millimeter. Then you can write ix is equals to 2 millimeter. And hy is equals to 2 millimeter. See here beta. Ix is parallel to jk. Then you can write 2 millimeter. And gf is parallel to hy. Then you can write here 2 millimeter. Did you understand, everybody? See, write down AB. AB is equals to 2 millimeter plus BC 5 millimeter. CD 2 millimeter. DE. So this is also 2 millimeter. This is also 2 millimeter. See here. DE 2 millimeter. So here GF is parallel to DE. Then this is 2 millimeter. Again JK is parallel to AL or LA. That is also 2 millimeter. See here you can write AB, BC, CD, DE. DE after EF 2 millimeter. EF next FG 2 millimeter. FG after GH plus 2 millimeter. GH after HI 5 millimeter plus IJ 2 millimeter. JK, that is 2 millimeter. KL, that is also 2 millimeter. LA, that is also 2 millimeter. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See here. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2. 9 plus 2 11 11 plus 2 13 13 plus 2 15 15 plus 2 17 17 plus 3 22 22 plus 24 26 28 30. Therefore, perimeter of the given figure, that is equal to 30 millimeter. Right up. Completed. See, listen beta. The length of the side AB is equals to 3 centimeter. BC is equals to beta. See here, AH is parallel to BC, then you can write here 2 centimeter. Next, CD is equals to 2 centimeter. DE is parallel to FG, then you can write DE is equals to 2 centimeter. DE is equals to 2 centimeter. EF is equals to 7 centimeter. FG is equals to 2 centimeter. GH is equals to 2 centimeter. HA is equals to 2 centimeter. Now find out perimeter of the given figure. That is equals to AB plus BC plus C here. Perimeter of the given figure, that is equals to sum of the sides. So that is equals to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, now write down. Substitute the values. AB is equals to 3 centimeter. BC is equals to 2 centimeter. CD is equals to 2 centimeter. DE is equals to 2 centimeter. Plus EF is equals to 7 centimeter. Plus FG is equals to 2 centimeter. GH is equals to 2 centimeter. Plus HA is equals to 2 centimeter. Add it. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 2, 20 plus 2, 22. 22 centimeters. See, one problem, last one problem, listen carefully. See here, this is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. Okay, see here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. See, there is no length of side here. You can find out. See here, this is the line segment produced to here. And this is produced to here. Now, you can produce this here, X, Y. Okay, listen carefully. Now, XY is parallel to BA or AB. Then you can write CD is equal, see here, CY is equal to, you can write CD plus DX plus XY. Okay, see here, DX is parallel to EF, XY is parallel to GH. Then you can write CY is equals to, so first CY is dividing into 3 parts, that is CD plus DX plus XY. CD is equals to 3 centimeter plus DX. DX is parallel to EF, then you can write DX is equals to 3 centimeter plus XY. XY is parallel to GH, then you can write 3 centimeter. Now 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9 centimeter. See here, CY is equals to 9 centimeter. CY is parallel to BA. Then you can write, therefore BA is also 9 centimeter. Then you can write here 9 centimeters. Perimeter of the given figure. Is equals to sum of the sides. That is equals to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus FGGH plus HA. AB is equals to 9 centimeter. Substitute the values. BC is equals to 7 centimeter. CD is equals to 3 centimeter plus DE is equals to 4 centimeter. EF is equals to 3 centimeter. FG is equals to 3 centimeter. GH is equals to 3 centimeter. HA is equals to 6 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See here. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. 23 plus 3, 26. 26 plus 3, 29. 29 plus 3, 32. 32 plus 6, 38 centimeters. Okay, thank you, beta. Today our class is completed. Thank you to all.